Hey.
Hey.
What's up?
Just sitting and looking at the lake.
That's a nice hat.
This hat?
That's a really nice hoodie.
This hoodie?
Where'd you get that merch?
ShopModernDiesel.com. Little chilly today. So my trucking company that I'm leased onto decided to make it mandatory for all trucks to run a dash cam. Now I'm sure it's for insurance purposes, but I don't know how I feel about it. So today is in fact the last day that I have to install this on my truck. It is a mandatory requirement or I won't get paid. So I guess it's time to install this on the truck. Okay guys, real quick before I finish putting this wire up in the headliner thing right there, I want to thank you guys so much for hitting 20,000 followers on the channel, 20,000 subscribers. It's so awesome. Thank you guys so much for the support on this channel. So I have a surprise for you guys. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna give away 2 hats and 2 shirts. This hat here, this Modern Diesel hat, and then our Modern Diesel shirt. This is our big logo, but what I'm gonna give away is our small pocket style logo. So 1 hat, 1 shirt will go to 2 people I will select. All you have to do, go to Instagram, follow me here at Modern Diesel Corey. I don't know if the camera can get that. And like my most recent picture. I just posted this 20,000 subscriber giveaway. Like this picture, follow me on Instagram. 2 of you will be selected at random. I will get in contact with you and I will get your information and we're gonna send you 1 hat, 1 shirt. Bam, check it out. Thank you guys for the support on the channel and thank you guys for getting me to 20,000 subscribers. Alright, so here's what I did. The actual dash cam itself goes into a GoPro adapter mount, so that's really nice. I don't have to use their stupid things, which would be 3M sticky tape to the windshield, which I don't like that. I was able to use my suction cup mount for my GoPro, and it actually hooks in just like a GoPro, but the threaded part on the GoPro does not fit through the little mount thing that came with the camera, so I just got to probably drill that out a little bit just to make it a little bigger to allow those threads to go through. And then the cable for it, I just ran, it actually tucked right up into the headliner. There's a tiny little gap up there, and the wire literally just tucked right through. It was super clean, super easy. And then I just tucked it back behind my pillar thing right there, and it's hidden pretty nice. It runs out right there and then it goes down. I got to do something with that, and then it goes down to the OBD2 port right there, and then the actual thingy here. So this camera, this dash cam, works off of your ELD, which I guess is kind of nice. If you already have to run an ELD, you can just add on the dash cam, so it connects into here. So probably what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this for our dash cam footage instead of the GoPro, because this will already be on there. Hopefully I can pull the footage off of that and use that for like time-lapse driving dash cam footage. So I'm gonna figure out how to work this right now, and we'll see if we can pull up some example footage. Okay, so literally an hour went by. I figured it out. So the ELD that the company that I'm leased on with uses is Keep Truckin'. Keep trucking, brother. So yeah, that's just the ELD. It plugs into your OBD2 port on your regular pickups, and then obviously into the truck OBD2 port. I don't really know if that's what they're called on a big rig. It's a much different connection. Plugs into there and just hooks right to your phone. It's just a little app, and it automatically records when you're driving or whatever you're doing, just so you don't have to mess with paper logs. So it is a little bit different box for the camera, because here's the deal. I just did some research on this whole thing, and it's a smart dash cam. It's so stupid. Well, I mean, it's good for insurance purposes, but it's stupid for me because I make YouTube videos and I wanted to use the footage for the dash cam time-lapse driving deal. Here's how it works. It records 10 seconds before and after any critical event. Now, a critical event to the keep trucking world is a hard brake, a hard acceleration, or a hard corner. And I don't even get to see that. It gets sent right to my company. So like, I don't know, I guess it's good for insurance purposes, but this is my personal vehicle and I feel a little invaded on privacy, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel. What do you guys think about dash cams? Do you guys use them? Have they ever saved you from insurance purposes? So if you get in an accident or something, or you hit a deer, or someone rear ends you, or you crash into someone, you have actual dash cam footage of the accident to show in like court, or for your insurance or whatever you may be required. I bet you in a couple years it'll be required through all insurance policies that everyone has to have a dash cam, but I don't know how that will go over, because some people are real strict about their privacy. I even know a couple of big rig truckers in the company that are leased on, that run their own trucks, that are kind of having a fit about running this dash cam because they said it invades their privacy. Now, I don't know if that's a little extreme, but I definitely understand it, only because this is also my personal vehicle. So I use it commercially and I also use it personally. Like me and my family today, we went out and picked up some groceries and did some stuff. We actually had no power the first half of the day. Our power was out. We've been having like super crazy windstorms in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, like huge gusts. So I guess a power line got blown down or something, I don't know, and we didn't have power all morning. So we kind of just packed the baby up and went on a little drive, went to the grocery store, and kind of hung out because our house was freezing. I can definitely tell you that losing power in winter is a bad deal. So like, if I take my truck to the drag strip, and I want to see what this thing's gonna run in a quarter mile or an eighth mile or whatever, and I'm hammering the gas, is it gonna record 10 seconds before and after my hard acceleration? And then like, the fleet manager, whoever manages the keep trucking thing for the company, is gonna say like, oh, this cat's on a drag strip with his truck. I don't know, it's a little bit of a gray area, because like a lot of the Hotshot guys also use their trucks as personal vehicles. So I gotta talk to my terminal manager to see what the deal is, see if I maybe just unplug it. But so whatever I allegedly do with this vehicle, I guess can't happen anymore, allegedly. So I don't know how I feel about the dash cam. What do you guys think about the dash cam? Is it a smart thing? Is it a bad thing? I mean, legality speaking, I would say that it's 100% a smart thing. But let me see what you guys think on dash cams. Comment below. I also have a problem with Chick-fil-A. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to do a quick little upload today just to thank you guys for the support on the channel and getting me to 20,000 subscribers. That's absolutely awesome. Never when I started this channel did I think it would be anything like that, and it has turned into something very, very awesome. And the power of this platform with you guys out there in the trucks, in the comments on what you guys think about the mud tires and all the stuff is just absolutely killer. You guys are awesome, and I do just want to thank you guys for the support on the channel. Remember, follow me on Instagram at Modern Diesel Corey and like my most recent picture, and 2 of you will be selected at random, and I will be in contact with you to ship you a hat and shirt. But if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and join the Modern Diesel family. Valentine's Day is coming up. Guys, take your women out for a nice dinner. Women, go take your guys out for a new truck part. But I'm done rambling. I'm getting ready to head to the house. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!